Hello YouTube. Today I have another little package from AKKTEK. In this envelope we have a small VDX and a camera. Here we have the KC28 camera. The box reads Mini CCTV camera, PAL, Model 205, wide lens. Let's open the box. At first glance, the camera seems to have a really wide lens. I usually don't like cameras with pre-soldered wires and without a connector, but in this case the cable feels very secure. I also like the servo plug, which in most cases is the plug I end up soldering myself. Looking at the manual, we see that it's addressing 6 cameras, none of which is the model number I currently have. So I don't really have a clue if the information here is accurate. On the back side there is a connection diagram. It mentions a wide lens camera and states that for a quarter sensor the field of view is 140 degrees and for a third sensor the field of view is 170 degrees. Let's put the camera back in its box and move on to the next item. In the next plastic bag we have a small VDX. What is notable about this video transmitter is that it works on 1S, and also it has a detachable IPEX antenna. The cable connections are directly soldered onto the PCB, and I guess they would benefit from some hot glue. According to the manual, works on 3.2 volts to 5.5 volts. The output power is ranging from 25 milliwatts to 200 milliwatts, which is a lot taking into account that it is powered only by 1S. Features 8 channels, 5 bands, antenna connector is IPEX, and it weighs only 2.4 grams without the antenna. At the back we have a schematic with the cable layout. This VDX will be a particularly useful upgrade to 5 GHz FPV for small quads working on 3.3 volts. Hope you liked the video, and as always, if you have any comments or questions, please comment below. Have a nice day. Bye bye.